When we want to say to take in Spanish, we have to be careful which word we're using because in Spanish we have the word llevar and we have the word tomar, which both mean to take in English, but they're used in different contexts in Spanish. So in this video, we're going to learn the difference between llevar and tomar and how to use each one of them in a sentence correctly. So basically the way you're going to use llevar is if you are physically carrying something or even figuratively carrying something. And a couple examples with this. So first let's look at physically carrying something. Lo llevo en el bolsillo. And this means I've got it in my pocket. So this is if you are physically carrying something, then you can say lo llevo en el bolsillo. You also can say something like me dedicaba a llevar mensajes. And this means I was dedicated to carrying messages. Me dedicaba a llevar mensajes. And our third example with llevar is, this is a figurative example of how you might be carrying something. Pero a veces puedes llevar las cosas un poco lejos. So this is, but sometimes you can take things a little too far, or if you're telling someone that they're getting carried away. Pero a veces puedes llevar las cosas un poco lejos. So first we looked at llevar, which is like to physically carry something somewhere or to figuratively carry something carried away. Now we're going to look at tomar, which also means to drink, but here we're looking at it as what it means when we want to say to take. And this is to take something in the sense of it being your own. So the first example we're going to look at is ven a tomar el desayuno. So if you want to say come and have breakfast, ven a tomar el desayuno. And this is like to come and take or to eat breakfast. So you're coming to physically, it is physical to take something, but you're not carrying it, you're taking it and it's becoming yours. Another example we're going to look at is si tomas las precauciones necesarias, lo conseguirías. So tomar in the sense of this sentence means that you are taking the necessary precautions, and if you do that then you will get it. And so this sense of tomar is that you are physically doing something. It's different from llevar because you are not carrying something, you are taking a physical action. Si tomas las precauciones necesarias, lo conseguirías. And our third and final example with tomar is lo asustaba el giro que tomaba la conversación. And this means that he was afraid of the turn that the conversation took. So this is kind of metaphorically, the conversation is taking a turn. Nothing is actually being carried. This is another use with tomar. Lo asustaba el giro que tomaba la conversación. So when deciding whether you should use llevar or tomar, you want to think about if it is something that you are physically carrying, then you are most likely going to use llevar. And if it is something that you are taking ownership of, then you are going to use tomar. Alright, so that is it for llevar and tomar. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you guys back here on Monday and Thursday for my regular uploading schedule. Ciao!